welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be going on a helicopter ride. Hopefully they're still doing it because it's raining. Well, it was raining. The helicopter ride starts at 8. I'm probably gonna be late, you know, us black people are always late to occasions. So right now I'm getting ready to go. Oh, I forgot my milk. So it's gonna be a long drive because this is in New Jersey, so, and I live in Brooklyn, New York, so it's gonna be a long drive. But hopefully I'm safe and out of harm's way, and yeah, it's gonna be my first time on a helicopter. I've never been on a helicopter before. I've only been on like airplanes, but I never did helicopters, you know, and I'm sure it's scary. But okay. No, it's gonna. What are you? Oh.
It's telling me to get it. It's telling me to go back.
You sure?
Yeah. Because I was going this way. I need to go this way. See?
Okay. Right now, we're in the car. We're on our way to New Jersey.
That's how accidents happen.
They really be getting. It just finished raining. What are they racing for?
He's swerving through traffic. See?
Look how they do it in New York, y'all. They really be racing. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. They crazy. That's, and they all staggered too close together to be doing that. Please don't get involved in that. I'm not ready to do that yet.
I just hope the niggas don't get in an accident. Fuck you. I didn't know somebody that drive like that too. That's the thing.
What, like that? Do that skippy lane stuff? That's OD. That's OD.
I mean, it's fun, but you gotta know when to do that shit. Like this much of cars, I would never do that.
Yeah, it gotta be empty, like a little bit more empty than that, cause
it's mad cars.
You don't know who's gonna switch the same time you switch, or you don't know who's gonna stop. You don't know none of that.
So if I would have hit him, like, cause he turned it right in front of me, so if I would have hit him.
Exactly. Like, what if you dead just went in the same lane as him and just
hydroplane?
Yeah, these people. You gotta be a professional to do that. I don't care how long you've been driving or how good you think you are. You gotta be professional with that.
Now, it don't matter how long you drive, it matters how good of a driver you are.
I need to get one of those things for the car. Okay guys, we're like 4 minutes out. Grant got us lost a million times, so
I didn't get us lost. You were just a bad travel guide.
He got us lost like a million times, like twice. So we're late. It started at 8:30 and it's let's see how late he got us.
It's 8:45.
8:46. But y'all see how dark it got. Like, we in New Jersey. This is what New Jersey look like. The streets are wider. There's more trees, more weird stuff, and oh, I hope Walmart is open when we come out. You think it's gonna be open?
No. Probably. We get out at like, it says no, we get out at 10, so I doubt it.
That's how. Wait, what is that? Oh yeah.
It's an hour.
Oh, because it's taking us to New York, right?
Yes, sir.
That's dope.
Oh, but look.
But basically, what our helicopter thing is gonna do, because I know once we get in there, y'all not gonna hear anything I say. We're in New Jersey. We're gonna park in New Jersey, and it's gonna take us all the way to New York. So it's gonna take us basically home, and then we're gonna be, you know, going. They're gonna take us a tour around this. Why the hell did I do this? They're gonna take we're gonna take a tour of this city, New York City, and then we're gonna come right back to New Jersey, and then we're gonna take the car right back to New York. That's how deep you think about it. The clouds look better. It doesn't look like it's gonna rain, so I think we're in the clear to go. And yeah, this is my first time on a helicopter. Oh my god, I'm super nervous. I think this is it now, right? So this should be it. I wonder if we have to wear a mask and stuff.
Yeah, it said that we have to wear a face covering mask, and they have hand sanitizer. They give it to us.
Oh my god, I'm so so scared.
What are you scared of?
Cause we're gonna be on a fucking. Oh my god, a deer! Oh. I'm mad dramatic. Cause we're gonna be on a helicopter. This is our first time.
Yes, sir. My first, but not my last.
Please. Wow. Ooh, I almost bust my behind. Oh my god. I'm really about to get on a helicopter, y'all. I'm scared. Oh my god. Wow. This is dope. This is dope, y'all. This is dope. You don't want to take a picture of her? Can we take a few pictures in front of the Okay.
What's up, man?
to I-278 East to New Jersey Turnpike to I-95.
Okay, guys, so that was dope, y'all. That helicopter ride was dope. It was dope, y'all. It was amazing. I was scared at first, but then, like, I don't know, like, it's an amazing experience. Y'all should go. We're gonna do it again when it's like more light outside. We did it in the dark, which is a nice view, but I feel like you experience it better when it's more light outside, I guess. But when it's dark in New York City, all the lights are on, so you get to see everything. But we're gonna try again with the light, like with daylight on, because I don't know, I feel like you get a different experience. But if you've never been on a helicopter, you should definitely try it. Even if you're afraid of heights, this fool right here, he's afraid of heights, and he did it. I got him to do it, so I think you guys should definitely try it, and it was amazing.
You know what's crazy? I was scared when it took off. Like,
right, yeah, because
like
the way it
was
was
in the air.
Yeah, as soon as it took off, I was like, yo, what if this shit just... But when it got in the air, I'm like, if I die, I die.
Was gonna strike. Because I was looking at the weather.
These streets is confusing. But y'all, this is crazy. Like, it was so amazing. I'm gonna do it again. Like, I'm definitely gonna do it again. So it's probably gonna be a part 2 to this vlog. Well, not to this vlog, but like another part 2. So like, I was like, oh my god, it was so amazing. I mean, it feels like getting on an airplane, but there's less turbulence. So, well, it depends on the pilot, but our pilot was really good. Like, there were no turbulence, there were no shaking, no weird stuff happening. Like, he drove the airplane, well, he flew the airplane really dope. I think it's closed.
These probably people that work here then. Yeah, somebody in there.
Y'all, I'm telling y'all, this experience is amazing. Like, I was smiling the whole time, and the view was nice. It was very nice. Yeah, you get to go over the border.
Turn left on Pleasant Street.
You see everything. Like,
he was mad close to the Statue of Liberty.
Yeah, he was mad close to the Statue of Liberty. I'm gonna insert like pictures, and in this vlog, y'all gonna see the pictures, and y'all gonna see everything. Like, y'all gonna see what I saw. Y'all gonna experience what I experienced. But you gotta get. Oh, there's a street called Rebecca Street. That's crazy.
In 600 feet, turn left on US 1 and 9
Where's
north.
your thing camera? Your Polaroid picture.
Oh yeah, you have that. I gave it to you.
You gave it to me?
Yeah, I gave it.
So it's back there then.
What was I gonna say? But yeah, y'all should definitely try it. I'm telling y'all. I think, how much was it? Like $200?
Yeah, like 200 and something each.
Yeah, 200 per ticket. So it's dope, and it was an hour ride. That's dope. Y'all should definitely try it. So this is gonna be the end of the vlog. We're just gonna be driving home. We probably gonna get something to eat if anything is open right now, which probably won't be because it's like 10 o'clock. But hopefully we pass something and we get something to eat. But this is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and comment what you think. If you've ever did this before, let me know in the comments. Let me know your experience. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye. Ew, that was trash.